Indoor air quality plays a major role in your home's comfort, health, and overall livability. In Mandeville, where humidity and seasonal weather can impact how fresh your indoor air feels, choosing the right windows can make a noticeable difference. Awning windows, in particular, offer a smart and effective way to improve airflow and maintain healthier indoor air quality throughout the year. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a design that allows fresh air to enter while keeping out rain and debris. This unique functionality makes them especially useful in climates like Mandeville's, where moisture and humidity are common concerns. One of the biggest ways awning windows improve indoor air quality is through consistent ventilation. Proper airflow helps remove stale indoor air and replaces it with fresh outdoor air. Without adequate ventilation, indoor air can become trapped, allowing pollutants, allergens, and moisture to build up. Awning windows make it easy to keep air moving, even during light rain, so your home stays fresh without interruption. Humidity control is another key benefit. In Mandeville, excess moisture in the air can lead to discomfort and potential issues like mold and mildew growth. By allowing you to ventilate your home more frequently, awning windows help reduce indoor humidity levels. This creates a healthier environment and protects both your home and your belongings from moisture-related damage. Awning windows are particularly effective when placed strategically throughout your home. Because warm air rises, installing these windows higher on walls allows hot, stale air to escape more easily. At the same time, cooler, fresh air can enter through lower openings, creating a natural circulation pattern. This passive airflow system improves air quality without relying entirely on mechanical ventilation. Another advantage is their ability to provide ventilation without compromising comfort. Traditional windows often need to be closed during rain, limiting airflow when you might need it most. Awning windows, however, can remain open during light showers, thanks to their outward opening design. This means you can continue to bring in fresh air even during Mandeville's frequent rain events. Improved air quality also contributes to better overall health. Fresh air circulation helps reduce indoor pollutants such as dust, pet dander, and airborne particles. It can also minimize lingering odors from cooking or everyday activities. For families in Mandeville, this creates a cleaner, more comfortable living environment where everyone can breathe easier. Energy efficiency is another benefit that works hand in hand with improved air quality. By allowing natural ventilation, awning windows can reduce the need for constant air conditioning. This not only lowers energy usage but also prevents indoor air from becoming overly dry or stagnant. A balanced indoor environment supports both comfort and health. Modern awning windows are designed with tight seals that prevent air leaks when closed. This ensures that while they provide excellent ventilation when open, they also maintain efficiency and indoor air control when shut. This balance makes them a reliable choice for year-round performance. Durability and low maintenance also contribute to long-term air quality benefits. High-quality materials like vinyl or fiberglass resist moisture, warping, and mold growth. This helps ensure that your windows continue to function properly and support a healthy indoor environment over time. Awning windows are also versatile in design. They can be installed on their own or combined with larger fixed windows to create a customized solution. This allows you to enjoy both expansive views and effective ventilation, enhancing both the look and functionality of your home. Ultimately, improving indoor air quality is about creating a space that feels fresh, comfortable, and healthy every day. Awning windows offer a practical solution by promoting airflow, reducing humidity, and helping maintain a cleaner indoor environment. For homeowners in Mandeville, upgrading to awning windows is more than just a design choice, it's an investment in better living. With the right placement and professional installation, these windows can help you enjoy fresher air, improved comfort, and a healthier home for years to come.